Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed about input decorator, which is used to send data from the parent component to the child component. In this video, we are going to talk about the output decorator. The output decorator is used to send data from the child component to the parent component. The way we use the output decorator is we define a property with the output decorator and assign a value of event emitter which emits a value from the child component to the parent component. Let's learn it through example. So inside the header component we will go and declare a property with the output decorator and give it a name like event of maybe new event emitter, and we can also specify the type, like here we can say string, and this will be of type event emitter generic requirements. Sorry, maybe this is how we use the output decorator. And now we will make a method to send data from the child component, which is the header component, and emit the value which will be given by the event here, and we can say this dot event dot emit, and this is where we use the property from the header component, or like from the child component to the parent component. We will say we have a property of type value of, in here we will say we want to emit the value given from the method send data, and inside our HTML we will use an input tag to get the value and send it through the button. And here we will have to declare a template reference variable. We will discuss about the template reference variables in our upcoming videos. So now we will say we want to send anything like data, and we will make a button with the click event having the method send data, and inside here we will say data, which is the variable, so it will give us the value of that input tag, and inside here we will say send data. Now inside our app.component.ts file we will make a property and a method, like we will say data from child component, and this will be of type string because we already told it that we want to send the string from the child. And so now we will make a method like receive data, and inside here we will say value of type string. Now we'll say this dot data from child component is equal to value. We will also console it so we can check whether it is working or not. We'll say value, and inside the HTML file we will use the output decorators value, like we will use as an event. We will have to use the name of the event or the output decorator which we have configured. Here we have, like here we have the event, so we will say event is equal to and this will be equal to the method that we have just created, receive data, and inside here we will say dollar event. Now this dollar event will give us the value given by the event emitter or the output decorator here. So now we will also use the property that we have assigned the value of the value coming from the output decorator or the event that will emit the value inside this component, like that app.component.ts file. So we will copy it and use proper the interpolation to get the value from child component. So now we will go to the browser and let's see what happens. So now first we will have to comment this so we don't have the confusion. So this will, like, we can also use the break tag, sorry, not here, inside the component here. So we will say the method will send the data from the child component to the parent component. Now we'll say like anything child data. When we hit the send button, the value should be emitted here and will be coming from the child component. So as you can see, the data is coming. This was child data, not child. So as you can see, this is where the value coming from the emitter or the output decorator, which has emit the value coming from the child component header. So this is how the output decorator works and gives us the value coming from the child component to the parent component.